It's still 1st of April. I'm still up here at the farm, still sitting in the tractor seat. This is how close it is. Alright, so right now I'm in a true neutral. Come over, back. I got my true reverse. Alright, go back into true neutral. If I push down on the shifter, there's a second. Third. Fourth. True neutral. There's my first. So the shifter down there where it engages the shifting fork is still just a little bit short. Probably a heavy 1/8 of an inch, maybe. Don't know. Anyway, there's my true neutral. No problem at all. Okay, but to get it back into first, it's a struggle, and I know exactly what it is, but I don't have anywhere I can find the length of what the shifter rod is supposed to be. So I'm just, weld some, put it back together, weld some, put it back together, weld some, put it back together. So anyway, it does go through all the gears. See on the ammeter, it is charging off the generator, so that's good. The little thing sounds as sweet as can be. If I can just get this dang transmission shorted out. There's also some wear in the cross piece that this bolt's going through. I can fab one of those to fit the shifter itself. That hole's a little bit wallered out too, so I got to oversize it. Might do that too. Anyway, I got to unload my truck. I brought all my seed and some more fertilizer up. I got oil filters for these things. My new starter. These are broke. I got 4 of those. Fix this one. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So anyway, I'll get this posted. Thank you.